Hello guys, welcome back. Today we are going to understand the another problem of this weekly contest, right? So let's understand the question 6915. The largest element we have to find in the array after merge operations, right? So we have given zero index array that is called nums, and we have a positive integer in that, as you can see here in the example. So we can do any operations, right? Multiple operations we can perform any number of times, right? So this element is this question is saying that we have given 2 3 7 9 3 in this example, right? This is just an array, and what we have to do here is we have to perform some operations like if this is let's suppose this is the index of I, right? So if this is at 0 1 2 3 4, right? So what is saying that we'll check the element consecutive element 2 and 3, right? Let's suppose two nums of I is what? Nums of I, if we are taking that is I is nothing but 0, right? So here it's 2, right? And nums of I plus 1, right? If we'll talk about nums of I plus 1 is here is 3. So if 2 is less than equal to 3, that is true, because this is 2 is smaller than 3, right? So in this case what we have to do, we have to do the sum. Let's say 2 plus 3 will do, that is coming 5, right? So this 5 will replace this value, right? As of now it will, the array will become like 5 7 9 3, okay, here, and this will get removed, right? So we have to remove the nums of I. So you can, we have given this sentence, okay, and we in the finally we'll do the sum like this. So we'll keep 5 here, because if we'll take 5, so we'll get the smaller value, right? So based of that what we will do, 7 and 9 we will do add, and it will come 16, and the 3 is here. Now we'll do 5 and 3 will do the sum, right? And we'll say 21, and there is 3, so we are not going to add this one, and we'll return 21 as the largest element, okay? So each time you have to find the largest element, right? And you have to find the answer, okay? Similarly we have another example 5 3 3. What we will do, we'll if we'll do like 5 and 3, right? So it will become what, 8, and another is 3. So now a of I, that is 8, is not less than equal to 3. In that case we will not add this one, and we have to return 8, right? So now what we will do, we'll do sum of 3 and 3, that is called 5 and 6, right? And if we'll do the sum of this one, this will come 11. So we will returning this element. I think you got the question. Let's understand the answer, right? So now you can see on this browser, right? You can see the answer, right? Let's suppose, so what I'm doing here, this is the questions we have given, right? And now we will come to here, and in the code part what we are doing here, first of all we'll take n, and we'll get the size of the array, right? Now we'll take the largest element and largest variable, right? And for I equal to 0 to n minus 1, we'll go and we'll check all the consecutive element, right? If it is less than equal to, then we will do the sum, and we'll add on the largest element. Now we'll replace the I plus 1 with the largest, and we'll remove the old one, right? Old value. Now if we'll do print the value, so you will see it will print the array, right? If you take a function and we'll do that, it will come like 0 0 12 9, right? In this case what we have to do, we will go with the I equal to 0 to n minus 1, right? And we'll check if num of I is less than largest. In that case what we have to do, we have to do sum, right? Largest equal to largest plus sum we'll do, and we'll return nums, right? Why we are doing this? Because we have this array currently like this, okay? So we have to take one more loop, right? So that 12 and 9 will become 21, okay? So here if you'll see, it will come 21, okay? So as you can see, the answer is coming 21, okay? So there is another test case, it is not passing, right? Let me show you. I have just checked. If you'll do the sum, so I will work on this one. If we are passing input 77, we will return 77. Do you know why? Because I have made this one, we have to check the one base case here, and we'll say like this. If n is equal to 1, let's suppose size is 1, right? In that case we will return nums at 0, like this. And let me submit this one. It should work. Oh, another test case is failing, so we'll work on this one, and I will update this code, right? So if you have time, you can pick this code. I will put into the comment box, and you can work on this one. So thank you guys for watching this video, and if you like this video, hit subscribe the channel for more videos like this one.